This is Nest Thermostat from Google. It's a smart thermostat that saves you energy and money. Just plug in your schedule and it'll automatically adjust to when you're home and away, so your home isn't heating or cooling itself when you're not around. And when you're out, you can control the thermostat with the Google Home app. Or when you're home, just say, "Hey Google, lower the temperature." And that's how you can save energy and money with Nest Thermostat from Google.
The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Pro with voice control is reliable, simple, compatible with most HVAC systems, and will make a big difference in your customer's life. It enhances comfort by working with Ecobee's state-of-the-art smart sensor, provides advanced control with Alexa built-in, and increases annual energy savings for your customers. It's been meticulously re-engineered to be faster and smarter than ever. It's the thermostat room sensor that detects both temperature and occupancy, allowing your customers to target comfort and temperature control in the rooms that matter most, like the bedroom or nursery. And with new and improved processing power, your customers can use features like Alexa calling to make phone calls to other Alexa devices, or Alexa drop-in to act as an intercom, and Alexa messaging to leave voicemails with other Alexa devices. Included with Ecobee Smart Thermostat Pro is our unbeatable professional warranty. When purchased and installed by a contractor, your customers will receive a 5-year out-of-the-box warranty, no registration required. The Power Extender Kit, also known as the PEK, is a common maker that makes installing Ecobee thermostats easy, even if the home is missing a common wire or C-wire. It works with most HVAC systems, including forced air conventional, hydronic heating systems, including steam, hot water, and radiant floor heating, as well as geothermal and dual-fuel heat pumps. It also works with HVAC accessories, including humidifiers, dehumidifiers, and ventilators.
Balancing comfort and trying to save energy can be difficult. You can control the temperature of your home, but not all rooms are equal. And people move around. The T9 Smart Thermostat can help. With its smart room sensors that have a super long range, you can prioritize the temperature in the rooms that matter the most. The T9 can focus on the rooms you choose to help everyone get a perfect night's sleep. Or you can let the T9 work automatically to focus on the rooms that people are in, so comfort follows you and your family around your home. Thanks to auto home and away scheduling, the T9 knows if you're coming or going. So whatever your schedule may be, your home will be comfortable when you arrive and help save energy when you're away. No matter where you are or where you're going, everything can be controlled via the Honeywell Home app. It doesn't matter if you use Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The T9 integrates with many of today's leading smart home brands, and setup is easy. Installation is easy too. The T9 can help configure itself, providing a guided install with the existing wires in your home. Buy the T9 Smart Thermostat and sensors at your local retailer, or visit online to find a professional to do it for you. Say goodbye to too hot or too cold. Welcome to just right comfort control from Honeywell Home.
What if there was a way you could help reduce energy usage and stay comfortable without even having to get out of bed? Meet Amazon Smart Thermostat, one small device that helps make a big difference. It's ENERGY STAR certified, which means it can help lower your energy usage all year. And with rebates from participating utilities, the device can cost eligible customers as little as $5. Amazon Smart Thermostat is simple to use, and there's a guided setup process in the Alexa app to get you started. Alexa can automatically adapt to your schedule and adjust the temperature as needed. You can also set a schedule so Alexa knows what time to adjust the temperature. Or control the temperature remotely with the Alexa app from anywhere. You can even set the temperature with your voice if you have an Echo device. Amazon Smart Thermostat, an easy way to save energy and stay comfortable with Alexa.